Are you a student struggling with pocket money or tired of boring part-time jobs that don't pay enough? What if I told you you can build real income streams with just your phone or laptop? In today's video, we'll explore 5 amazing side hustles and 5 high-paying skills every student should learn to secure their future. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Hustle Hub. Here we share the smartest ways to grow your career, make money, and stay ahead in the world of technology and opportunities. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon because you don't want to miss what's coming next. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is the most popular side hustle. You can offer skills like writing, video editing, coding, or graphic design on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Clients from all over the world will pay you in dollars for your work. 2. Online tutoring. Students can easily teach others. Platforms like Chegg, Vedantu, or Preply let you teach subjects you're good at. Teaching online not only improves your knowledge, but also earns you extra income. 3. Content creation. If you love talking, making videos, or writing, start a YouTube channel, blog, or Instagram page. Yes, it takes time to grow, but once you build an audience, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and brand deals. 4. Print on demand and dropshipping. With platforms like Shopify, Teespring, and Redbubble, you can sell t-shirts, mugs, or accessories online without investing in stock. You just design, and they handle the delivery. 5. Campus services. This is underrated. Offer services like resume writing, event photography, or even printing notes for other students on your campus. It may sound small, but it adds up and teaches you real business skills. 1. Digital marketing. Every company needs online presence. If you learn SEO, social media ads, and email marketing, you can earn big even as a student. 2. Graphic design and video editing. Design is in demand everywhere. Social media, businesses, startups. Learn tools like Photoshop, Canva, and Premiere Pro. Brands will pay you to make their content stand out. 3. Coding and app development. Technology is the future. Skills like Python, web development, or mobile app development are some of the highest paying. Even students can get freelance projects or internships in this field. 4. AI tools and automation. With the rise of ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI tools, businesses want people who know how to use them for content creation, design, and automation. If you learn how to use AI smartly, you'll always stay ahead. 5. Copywriting. Words sell. If you can write ads, product descriptions, or sales pages that convince people to buy, you can earn thousands of dollars per month. It's one of the most profitable skills. So instead of wasting time scrolling endlessly, pick one side hustle and start. And at the same time, start learning one high-paying skill. Remember, student life is the best time to experiment, fail fast, and grow. Which side hustle or skill are you going to try first? Comment below. I'd love to know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful content on money, skills, and the future of work. See you in next video.